Trying to access your YouTube recap? Here are the 2 easiest ways to find it, even if it hasn't appeared in your app yet. YouTube Recap is rolling out gradually, so not everyone will see it immediately. But you can still try these methods. First, open a browser on your iPhone, Android, or computer and go to youtube.com/recap. Many users can access their recap from this link even if the app hasn't updated for them yet. If that doesn't work, open the YouTube app and tap the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Look at the top of the screen for a recap banner. When it's available for your account, the banner will appear and let you open your recap instantly. If you don't see either option yet, the feature simply hasn't rolled out to your account. Check back later. It should appear within days. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.